Hey guys, it's Steven here, back with another ThreadBeast unboxing. First off, we got a Billabong t-shirt. Solid blue in the back. Next out of the box, Ali. That's the name brand of it too. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Image on the front, nothing on the back. We got a diamond raincoat, looks like. Alright. It's kind of a raincoat material. You have these kind of cloth sleeves. Some of the other raincoats, they just have like a little, almost like a rubber band. So it's really good material on the inside. Okay. Got Diamond Supply Co. in the front left pocket. Got another logo on the back. And you got buttons on the front for your raincoat. And you got pull strings at the bottom to tighten it up. Really good material, really good quality. Diamond is a fairly new brand. It's been doing well. Got a diamond hat to match. Snapback. A little insignia on the back. No sticker, except for this one. Okay. All the boxes that I've had socks in them. 40s and shorties. That's exactly what it says on the socks. I don't know what that image is on the front. This is the Essential Plan, the $85 plan. You get 4 to 5 items of clothing. The basic plan, which I had before, is $55 and $30 cheaper, but you only get 2 to 3 items. Usually I got about 3 items. I don't think I ever got 2 items. The premium ThreadBeast box is 6 to 7 items, and that one is $135. So I mean, ThreadBeast is a legit package. I really enjoy getting them every month. Alright guys, and that's it for the ThreadBeast Essential unboxing. Leave a like or comment on what brands you're getting. I'm thinking about changing up my style profile a little bit, but I mean, I'm happy with what I got this month. And if you're looking for something else to watch, I also do vlogs, and me and my brother play Grand Theft Auto 5. I also started doing Let's Play videos with my cousin. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Really appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, and I'll see you in a bit. Thanks.